Today we discuss about the topic sexual reproduction in flowering plants, mainly importance of sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is crucial for generating genetic variation within a species. Now, what is species? Species is the most basic fundamental unit of biological classification. Species is the basic unit of biological classification. Then, sexual reproduction crucial for generating genetic variation within a species. Then, again, what is variation? Variation is the offspring's different from its parents is known as variation. Variation leads to evolution. Variation enabling better adaptation of living organisms for changing their environment. At the stage of germ formation, the genetic material transfer occurs. What is germ cells? Germ cells are mainly the male and female reproductive cells. That is, in case of plants, pollen grains and egg cell are the germ cells. But in animal case, it is the sperms and ovum are the germ cells. Variation enabling better adaptation of living organisms for changing their environment. At the stage of germ formation, the genetic material, that is genes, part of genes. At the stage of germ formation, the genetic material transfers occurs. That is, the paternal and maternal chromosomes transfer their genetic material during crossing over. Crossing over is a part of meiosis. Then again, what is meiosis? It is a special type of cell division that is specially seen in sex organs. What is evolution? Evolution, the process by which populations of living organisms change over successive generation, is known as evolution. The process by which populations of living organisms change over successive generation is known as evolution. What is population? Population is a group of a particular type of species that living in a particular geological area is known as population. Meiosis also known as reduction division. Meiosis is also known as reduction division. Meiosis is a special type of cell division seen in only in sex organs. The chromosome number of germ cells usually half comparing other somatic cells. The chromosome number of germ cells usually half comparing other somatic cells. Somatic cells means the cells that seen in other body part except the reproductive organs. That is in germ cells. Example in human case. That is 46 in somatic cells. The chromosome number is 46 in somatic cells and 23 in germ cells. That we will discuss later in about cell division, that is meiosis and mitosis. What is sexual reproduction? The mode of reproduction depends upon the involvement of two individuals and creation of new generation is known as sexual reproduction. Then Again, the detailed definition of variation. Variation means difference between parents and their offsprings or between offsprings of the same parents. Offsprings means individuals or children. What is the importance of meiosis? That is crossing over. Crossing over is a part of meiotic division. In meiosis, crossing over and DNA copying mechanism are not absolutely accurate and not equally proportional. So, each and every gamete differ from one another. This diversity leads to genetic variation. This variation leads to slow process named evolution. Sexual reproduction is a process of combining DNA from two different individuals during reproduction. DNAs are the basic unit of chromosomes. DNA made up of genes. Now we discuss this portion very shortly because notes are very important. You can utilize these notes for your further studying and for examination purpose.